Hey YouTube, it's glow time. Today, Apple is about to launch the new iPhone 16. And on the previous video, I talked about Apple is about to add another new button to their iPhone. The button that is on the millimeter wave sensor for 5G antenna. So this button, you can short press to take a photo, long press to take a video, and slide it to zoom. It seems not such a big deal. However, recently I'm about to buy a new HomeKit sensor, which is called Aqara FP2, an Aqara presence sensor, the second generation of the presence sensor. This sensor uses millimeter wave technology, which is in your 5G iPhone in the US market. Not a lot of people buy this sensor because not a lot of people have HomeKit and smart sensors at home. However, a lot of people have iPhone. And if iPhone can have the presence sensors feature, then it will be amazing. That's the thing I think Apple is going to do tonight or this morning. It's going to do in the Glow Time event. Let's see what this sensor can do. First is zone positioning. So it gathers a lot of data and it's pretty accurate. For using it for your smart home is that you can go to kitchen and you'll turn on the smart home feature for you in the kitchen. When you're on the sofa, you'll turn on the TV for you and goes to Netflix so that you can watch movie. If you're at a desk, it'll change your smart home into work mode so you can have your work setup. When you go to bed, the millimeter wave sensor can actually sense your heart rate. So it knows that you're actually sleeping and it can gives you health data about how you sleep. One of the cool things of this sensor is it has multi-person detection ability. For smart home, it knows how many people is in the area, so it can do the smart lighting control. If we put this sensor into the iPhone, Apple can combine its multi-person detection with its SharePlay feature so that it can sense multiple people and it can sense different person. For example, when you go to your workplace and you find a colleague, it can notify you that, oh, you are close to the colleague, and it automatically jump up the to-do list of the things that you are going to discuss with them. The possibility is endless, which is amazing because due to the rumors, they are only telling you that it's a smart button for capturing photo, video, and sliding for zooming, which you can already do on the smartphone screen, which is not a big deal. However, if there's smart features for millimeter wave smartness, then it can have a lot of amazing stuff happening with this smart device. Also, one of the cool things for this smart sensor is it has fall detection. So maybe Apple can use this millimeter technology. If there's iPhone around, it can detect who falls, not even yourself. It can detect everyone around you. If someone is falling, it'll automatically call 911 and set the positioning over there. There's somebody over there who is falling. This is amazing. One of the cool things for Apple to adapt this technology for their next iPhone 16 is that for Aqara FP2, it's only a $100 smart home sensor. So it only do the sensing itself. It doesn't have a good chip to do the AI feature. However, if you add this sensor to the next iPhone, it can detect tons of information. And Apple can use its A18 AI features to gather the information, to understand the context, and it can do a lot of smart actions. And this sensor is always with you because iPhone is always with you. So it's way bigger than putting it into a smart sensor or a HomePod and put it at your house. It's a next step for IoT smartness. And it's only a price for Apple Watch Ultra watch band's price to increase on the iPhone, which I believe is an amazing deal. Also in WWDC 2024, Apple actually has a video that is telling you that you can use Swift to write embedding code on ESP32, which I believe Apple is laying the foundation for creating IoT scenarios for different environments, not just at home. If there is a millimeter wave sensor to detect a lot of different contacts in different area, then when you go to a store, you can sense this different smart tag or people around, and it gathers a lot of information. The smartness and the AI and the application is endless. So let's get ready for Apple Glow Time iPhone 16 event. See you tonight or see you this morning. Bye bye.